Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and today we are going to talk about Elizabeth Keane from the Blacklist. As she begins as a number one blacklister in the series. We have a lot of details around this. Please continue to watch this and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Reddington has often told Liz to think like a criminal, and that very advice may lead to his downfall. The Blacklist, which was recently renewed for a ninth season, returned from a hiatus after a game-changing event, that is the murder of the super spy Katerina Rostova. Raymond Reddington has killed Elizabeth Keane's mother right in front of her, and she plans to avenge the death. After attempting to kill Reddington in the winter premiere, Agent Keane found herself earning the top spot on the Blacklist, starting a new defining chapter for the NBC drama. We have seen that Reddington and his people trying to hunt for Agent Keane and see the title card listing her as number one on the blacklist. These new circumstances have pushed the show into a new chapter. How this unfolds is a great promise for the season, and this is said by executive producer John Bokenkamp. It's totally entirely new in every way. Reddington's lessons that he taught to Liz throughout the journey has proven to be beneficial to Liz as she tries to take the criminal mastermind down. Having her own on the run allows viewers to see Liz thinking like a criminal. She will be flipping in this way his pattern, aligning herself with the blacklisters. Bokenkamp says, looking ahead, the FBI agent is going to display what she has learned about the criminal underworld and uses it as a source of power. Specifically, in the upcoming episode, she'll be reaching out to blacklisters she crossed paths with and even Reddington's asset in an attempt to flip them. Fans have had a lot of thoughts about the blacklist as season 8 has really kicked into gears this winter and as Elizabeth became number one on the said list. There's a lot going on currently with the NBC drama, which was recently renewed for season 9. But one thing that the show has been pushing a lot less is the family bent as it switches to more of an Elizabeth is the mastermind storyline. For what feels like the longest time, Elizabeth Keene's and Red's backstories and the way their lives have been intertwined has been a focal point in the series and one semi dividing the fan base. There are two factions who want to move past the family secrets and move on to other stuff, but you will occasionally see either people who aren't caught up or still want to believe in the is Red Liv's father theory that occasionally gets bandied out despite the big season 6 reveal. Regardless, these days it seems that the writers are really looking to shut down those theories for good. A scene between Demme and Red that played out in the most recent episode of The Blacklist, and that has been a part of some intriguing conversations between the two recently. It had literally Red once again explaining that he did not father Liz Keane, while further showing the current underlying malevolence between the two. So that's all we have in today's video. Please continue to watch this space for more details and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching us. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.